Let us start working on the problem based on ratio and proportion. This is the problem number 1 right here. So what they have given here is 2:5. They have given 2:5 equals 2:8:x. We need to find the value of x. Right. To do that, see what you need to do. You have to multiply the extreme, right, this and this. Right, now what happens here, 2x is equal to 2 into x is equal to 5 into 8, right, or x is equal to 5 into 8 that divided by 2, right. You know why 2 comes here, because it is in numerator. When you are transferring from LHS to RHS, you have to go with this, right. So numerator will become denominator, right, 5 by 8. So now simplify it here. 2 1s are 2 4s are 5 into 4 will come. 2 1s are 2 4s are, right. So therefore x is equal to 5 4s are 20, right. Option C is the right one.